Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are escaping the city chaos and heading to Asia's largest brackish water lagoon, Chilika Lake. But we aren't just going anywhere. We're dropping anchor at Barkul, the ultimate gateway for water sports and endless blue horizons. If you love fresh breezes, ancient legends, and a bit of speed, pack your bags. We are going on a boat ride you won't forget. We've just arrived at the Barkul jetty, managed by Odisha Tourism. The vibe here is instantly calming. Look at this view. The water stretches out so far it honestly looks like the ocean. Barkul is famous for being the most well-equipped point on the lake. So whether you want a calm paddle or a roaring speedboat ride, this is the place to be. We just got our tickets, grabbed our life jackets, and our boat is ready. Let's hit the water. And we are off. Feel that wind? There is nothing quite like the feeling of racing across Chilika. The water here is a fascinating mix. Fresh water from the rivers meeting the salty water of the Bay of Bengal. As you look out, the hills of the Eastern Ghats frame the distance like a painting. It's incredibly peaceful out here, broken only by the roar of our engine and the occasional splash. Our main stop today is the famous Kalijai Island. For the locals and fishermen here, this isn't just a tourist spot, it's a deeply spiritual sanctuary. The island is home to goddess Kalijai, the presiding deity of Chilika. Legend says a young bride named Jaya tragically drowned here during a storm, and she now protects everyone who ventures out onto these waters. You can feel the reverence in the air. People tie red threads here for good luck, so of course, I had to make a wish too. As the day winds down, Chilika puts on a spectacular golden show. Barkul completely stole my heart today. It's the perfect blend of adventure, tranquility, and local heritage. If you ever find yourself in Odisha, missing a boat ride from Barkul is simply not an option. We're deep into our Chilika adventure now. And let me tell you, this place is so much more than just open water. We just pulled away from Barkul, and immediately, the landscape started telling a different story. Today, we're moving beyond the standard tour, exploring the intricate balance between the local communities and the surprising presence of the Indian Navy, all tucked beneath the stunning backdrop of the Eastern Ghats. Look to your left. This is the heart of Chilika. Hundreds of fishing villages like this one dot the shoreline and islands, some so remote they are only accessible by water. Life here revolves entirely around the lagoon. These aren't just scenic huts, they are homes to communities whose ancestors have fished these waters for generations. See that fisherman casting his net? That skill is centuries old. It's a gentle, sustainable rhythm that seems completely untouched by the outside world. It's incredibly humbling to witness. Now shift your gaze. Directly opposite that timeless village scene is something you might not expect in the middle of a massive bird sanctuary, INS Chilika. This isn't just a random outpost, it's a premier naval training establishment for the Indian Navy. Right here, in this peaceful lagoon, the Navy trains sailors for the rigors of the sea. Seeing their sleek patrol boats and precise architecture right across from still houses is such a powerful contrast, a perfect example of how India seamlessly blends tradition with strategic modernity. This, for me, is the real magic of Chilka. It's not just a lake, it's a living, breathing ecosystem where the ancient ways of the fishermen, the modern vigilance of the navy, and the wild pulse of nature coexist. Leaving Barkul, you think you're just going for a boat ride, but what you actually get is a journey through time and perspective. Thanks for joining me on this incredible leg. Next, we will explore something very interesting on a daily life to experience and relive. Until then, keep exploring and watching. Bye.